Realme has officially confirmed that the Realme 15 series will debut in September in China. And this is the first look Realme 15T in box. Leaks suggest that the lineup will include 3 models: the Realme 15, Realme 15T, and Realme 15 Pro. The standard and Pro models have already been released in India. Realme 15T 5G captured with iPhone. Realme is calling their model as R phone. The Realme 15T will feature a 6.57-inch flat display, wide rounded edges, and a slim design aimed at easier one-handed use. Despite its slim profile, it is expected to come with a large battery, making it a notable option in its category. The Realme 15T's screen will deliver 2200 nits of peak brightness. The device will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max chipset. In terms of cameras, the phone is said to include a 50-megapixel rear sensor and a 50-megapixel front camera. Measuring 7.79mm in thickness, it is also expected to feature a 7000 mAh battery with support for 80W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.